Willie Pep grew up penniless in Philadelphia, yet his blistering speed and footwork rewrote the blueprint of featherweight fighting. Facing taller rivals, he used angled deflection and dazzling head movement to keep opponents off balance and seal wins. Pep's 1949 title fight against Chalky Wright showcased relentless speed, turning defense into an art form that mesmerized crowds. Despite stepping into arena legends, Pep trained with quiet focus, translating hardship into discipline that carried him through a string of defenses. His legacy endures in every swift retreat and rapid counter, inspiring future champions to fight smarter, not just harder.